the Baumfolder 714XA automated folder. Automated folder comes standard with sound covers, plated feed table, stacker table, and full plate for that static reduction. Extended feed table comes with a cart and a pump, already standard. It comes with a nice touchscreen control for ease of operation. It's your main menu. It comes with setting digitally the paper lengths. It comes with standard. If you want to put in special, you can come down here. If you want batch counting, you can hit batch counting, set the number of pages you want it to batch count. If you have saved jobs, if you have a job you run all the time, you can save it in here so you don't have to set it up every time. It has a pictorial for the type of fold you want. You click on the type of fold you want, click it, the plates will automatically go to your desired fold positions. So all you have to do is hit, if you want to just do one sheet at a time, you hit machine start, hit that one sheet at a time. But if you want to really get going, you can hit continuous speed and let the machine run.